Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Temu coupons. Well, using a Temu coupon code can help you save money. So it's easy to apply these codes when you shop at Temu. So all you have to do is enter it in the promotional box during your checkout. So right here, just collect all the items you want to buy and add your delivery address and payment method. Now here on the box, as you can see, you will see the promo code box on the same page. Now here, you just need to enter your Temu coupon code right here and you will get a special discount like uh, 30% discount, 50% discount, or 10% discount is site-wide. So depending on the coupon that you get and enter to this box. So yeah, that's how you basically use this Temu coupon. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.